Wondering what is lime essential oil good for? Or maybe you're wondering, how do I use lime essential oil on my face? In this video, I will share with you some of the common uses for lime essential oil, what it blends well with, some fun facts, and even a caution about putting it on your skin. I'm Mandy Summers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about lime essential oil. Stick around to the end and you will have a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this video though, I always like to ask my YouTube community, what are your favorite uses for the oil I'm talking about? And today it's lime. So go ahead and put in the comments below what are some of your favorite uses or diffuser recipes or even recipes that you want to share with us about lime essential oil. Let's jump right in. Refreshing and energizing, lime essential oil has a host of health benefits, including immune, cleansing, and respiratory. Its aroma is emotionally uplifting and its flavor makes it a favorite in cooking. So what are some of the benefits of lime oil? The tart citrus aroma of lime energizes and uplifts moods. This citrus oil offers powerful cleansing benefits and supports healthy immune function. It is used in cooking to enhance the flavor of both sweet and savory dishes. Due to its high limonene content, lime essential oil provides internal cleansing benefits. Like other citrus oils, lime is rich in limonene, but it also has a high concentration of beta-pinene, which adds to lime oil's uplifting properties. Diffused, it brings a sense of happiness and an energized boost. This refreshing oil can be diffused during periods of low motivation or decreased energy and focus. It can dispel exhaustion and uplift the mind. It may also help reduce feelings of sadness. So can you drink lime oil? Lime essential oil is often used as a complement to internal cleanses because it's rich in antioxidants, internally cleansing and supporting the immune system and liver health function. Put a drop in your water each morning to start your day. Support your respiratory and immune system health by taking 1 or 2 drops of lime in a veggie capsule during times when seasonal threats are high. So where does lime essential oil come from? doTERRA's lime essential oil is cold pressed from the rind of the key lime fruit and is sourced in Brazil. It's a hybrid citrus that can be successfully grown in most areas where there is no winter frost. While varieties of lime share similar therapeutic properties, key lime is highly sought after for its strong, robust flavor and zesty fragrance, which is due to its higher acidity compared to other limes. Lime blends well with many other oils, including cedarwood, cilantro, basil, black pepper, lavender, grapefruit, and ylang ylang. Lime possesses a wide range of internal benefits for multiple systems and organs of the body, in addition to the immune system. Here are a few examples. Lime oil may help support the health of the brain and nervous system. It may support healthy lung and respiratory function. It supports healthy metabolism and weight management. Lime may support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels already in normal ranges. It supports gastrointestinal function and health. It relieves occasional heartburn and indigestion. Lime essential oil may support the health of the colon, and lime may also help support cardiovascular health. In addition, lime, like lemon, helps remove grease spots and sticker residue. 1 drop can also be added to facial cleansers, shampoos, or toothpaste for an extra boost of that cleansing property for the skin, hair, and the teeth. Here are 7 uses for lime essential oil. You can diffuse lime to cleanse the air and uplift the mood, and you can find my lime diffuser blend videos here or in the description below. You can put lime on a cotton pad and use to help remove grease spots or stickers, like I said before. You can add a drop of lime to your drinking water for an enhanced flavor and a gentle daily cleanse. Add 1 drop to your facial cleanser or shampoo for added cleansing benefits. You can take 3 to 4 drops in a veggie capsule or in your water to help support healthy immune function. You can inhale while studying and then apply to the wrist again while testing on that same subject. You can also combine 1 to 2 drops of lime with equal amounts of tea tree or melaleuca for a soothing scalp massage. Now, here is a caution about lime essential oil. You want to avoid sunlight and UV rays for at least 12 hours after applying topically. Lime can be used aromatically, topically, internally, and should be diluted for people who have sensitive skin. So here is a fun fact about lime essential oil. It takes approximately 6 pounds of lime peels to produce 1 15 milliliter bottle of lime essential oil. It's also thought to be native in areas in Southeast Asia. The key lime gained its popularity in the Florida Keys, where it has grown and is used as a main ingredient for the key lime pie, hence the name. Lime oil blends well with cilantro, balance, cheer, peppermint, and vetiver. You can follow the links in the description below for a coconut lime scrub recipe or lime chicken taco recipe, along with a spicy quinoa salad recipe. So there are my favorite uses and tips about lime essential oil. As promised, it's freebie time. I'm really excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Go ahead and click the link in the description below and put your email in, and it will show up in your inbox shortly thereafter. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Make sure to check out some of my other videos all about essential oils that you can find at the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Be sure to reach out to me if you're interested in scheduling a free wellness consultation, or if you want to get some essential oils at 25% off. Bye.